Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix unidentified network and no internet access or limited access on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to make sure first that our network driver is updated. So make a right click at the start button and then select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the network adapters and then locate your connection, make a right click, select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Now for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl and cpa.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that. Now here you need to locate your Wi-Fi. Make a right click, select properties. Now here in the properties window, you need to locate the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. And here in the IPv4 properties, you will find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses, which is one of the greatest DNS. Now for the preferred DNS server, type in here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type in here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and then click on close and then close this window. And you just need to restart your Windows afterwards. Then we can also run some commands in the command prompt to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here, just follow me for the commands. First command is netsh space winsock space reset. It's netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command ipconfig space /flushdns. It's ipconfig space /flushdns. Hit enter. And for the last command, it's ipconfig /renew. Hit enter. And then type exit. Hit enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And for the final method, click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for network and internet. Scroll down, you'll find advanced network settings. Under more settings, you will find network reset. Click on that. Click on the reset now button and click on yes. But make sure that you remember your connection password, because after this will restart your Windows and you need to re-enter your connection password, and that's it. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. This will really help us. Thank you for watching.